Is entertainment replacing worship? The average person spends hours every day watching videos, listening to music, and scrolling through social media. But here's a serious question always left unasked. How much time do we spend with God? Have our screens become our sanctuary? Entertainment is everywhere. From the moment we wake up until we go to sleep, we are surrounded by endless content competing for our attention. Many people say they are too busy to pray, too tired to study the Bible, or too distracted to worship. Yet somehow, we always find time for one more video, one more episode, or one more scroll. The issue isn't always a lack of time. It's a matter of priorities. Jesus said in Matthew 6 verse 21. For where your treasure is, there will your heart be also. And Philippians 4 verse 8 reminds us. Whatsoever things are true, whatsoever things are honest, whatsoever things are just, whatsoever things are pure, think on these things. Whatever captures our attention ultimately shapes our character. Technology and entertainment are not evil in themselves, for it's written, and knowledge shall be increased. Daniel 12 verse 4. They can educate, inspire, and even spread the gospel. Let the publications be multiplied, and scattered like the leaves of autumn. Men are needed who pray to God for wisdom, and who, under the guidance of God, can put new life into the old methods of labor and can invent new plans and new methods of awakening the interest of church members and reaching the men and women of the world. Manuscript 117, 1907. In the world of technology, your device is a powerful tool either for God or Satan. But when entertainment becomes an escape from reality or replaces time with God, it becomes a spiritual danger. And we are prone to falling and the devil takes interest. Remember. By beholding we become changed. The things we watch, hear, and consume influence our thoughts, desires, and decisions more than we realize. If we constantly feed our minds with noise, it becomes difficult to hear the voice of God. Today, take an honest look at your priorities. What is shaping your mind? What receives your best time and attention? Consider setting aside a few moments each day to disconnect from the world and reconnect with God. Turn off the noise. Open your Bible. Spend time in prayer. Because nothing this world offers can satisfy the human heart like Jesus can. Choose Christ today and live.